Hi, I'm Andrea Miranda with Briggs Freeman Sotheby's International Realty. We're in Ranger, Texas, located about an hour and a half from DFW Airport, just west of Fort Worth, and about half an hour from Possum Kingdom Lake. We're on 482 acres here. Let's go take a look at the Lucas Ranch.
All right, the Lucas Ranch journey started 9 years ago with a very raw piece of land, no improvements, lots of oil-filled junk laying around, and unfortunately, hunters had left debris all over the ranch. We started out by meticulously cleaning up and high fencing the ranch, but we didn't want to just high fence it. We wanted a lifetime no maintenance fence as much as possible, and I feel like that we accomplished that. We set out on a 12-month conservation project. While the ranch is not encumbered in any conservation easements, we did over $1 million worth of conservation work, including 8 lake, plant introduction, and habitat. We also cleared 25 acres meticulously and planted Coastal Bermuda. We have kept the ranch as wild as possible to be a true hideout. It's very rough for the deer, the wildlife, very gamey. But we've also cleaned and cleared many areas and have cleaned them and have groomed them and have made some areas very park-like. Favorite part of my property is the views. You can see forever. You're overlooking a beautiful valley. There are 2 hills on the property that offer nice elevation changes so that you have a lot of lookout. There's views in 360 degrees anywhere you look. Probably my favorite part of the place is just watching the deer. Yes, there are 2 house sites that have been cleared and have water and electricity and fiber optic on site, so they are ready to build on. One site faces west and one site faces south, so you can build on either one. We have a very healthy, large herd of white-tailed deer, a lot of which would score in the 200 range. Very healthy herd, not been hunted much in the last 9 years. There's also 20 head of bison heifers that are very young and curious. Yeah, in the late 1800s, there was a private railroad, a steam train, and because this was the original oil boom of Texas, it was employed to haul oil and cattle. Basically connecting the railway that goes from Abilene to Fort Worth and going up, I believe, to Wichita, Kansas. There's an old steam train. I believe the train is in a museum in Breckenridge, Texas. And on this property, there's the ruins, the foundation ruins, and the loading docks and everything of that railroad depot that was located on this property.
One thing I'd like to share about the Lucas Ranch, it's really close to all major shopping and parks. We're about an hour and a half from Fort Worth, 2 hours from Dallas, an hour and 25 minutes from Weatherford, about 25 minutes from Palo Pinto Mountain State Park, and 30 minutes from Possum Kingdom Lake State Park. The property boasts multiple lakes, including a multi-million-dollar conservation project with a 6-acre lake, and offers breathtaking sunsets, sunrises, and stargazing opportunities. The entrance is designed to provide a state park-like experience. Let me give you a little wildlife overview. Current wildlife for hunting includes whitetail population with bucks. They're in the 160 to the 200 class. Recent management has included wild hog eradication, predator control. This all is allowing for resurgence of quail and turkey populations. It has the potential for exotic animals, previously whitetail only since high fenced. Then in the pasture, we have 25 acres of improved Coastal Bermuda. We also have trails with miles of ATV trails. Some of them are semi-rugged. And then in late spring, we have various wildflowers.